What is going on, guys? My name is Robert. Today I'm going to cover a few principles, a few points that I value in the business world and in life in general. Hopefully you guys can start taking these and applying them in your life today. Save as much money as you possibly can. Like, make it a game to track your finances. Make money instead of spending money. Don't be that person that's afraid to open their bank account and look and see their balance. If that's you, you need to be a problem solver and figure out why you got in that situation to start off with. I made a video a while back talking about pretty much the same thing. It's called "It's Not What You Earn, It's What You Keep," and it pretty much explains itself. Especially for all of you that are in college right now. I'm no economist, but somehow the debt to earning ratio in our economy doesn't make any sense to me. And hopefully somebody else sees this too. You know, student loans are out 1.4 trillion outstanding. I certainly don't think that US jobs are gonna be paying that back anytime soon. You can go to college, get a degree, make more money, but if you're not financially literate, you're never going to get rid of that burden. Your spending habits are probably what's the issue, not how much money you're making or how much money you're not making. People also seem to believe that money will solve their problems. All right, moving on. Surround yourself with people that push you to be better. Your inner circle should be pushing you to be the best version of yourself. And this is important because it's incredibly difficult to make it out there on your own if you don't have like-minded individuals pushing you and keeping you on the same level. Now, this doesn't mean depend on others for your own success, because you're always going to have to put in the work. It certainly helps when the people closest to you are always innovating and creating, becoming better every single day. Next up, don't let people discourage you. No matter what anyone says, if you have a goal in mind and you have a plan to get there, like, don't let other people's negativity keep you from reaching that goal. This is the truth in our world, because nobody wants what's best for you. They see you happy, they see you doing something that you enjoy. For the most part, they're going to look at you, be negative towards you because they're stuck at their boring job and their life, you know, isn't going the way that they want it to be. And this is something that you'll have to figure out yourself mentally. Nobody can help you with blocking out all the negativity and all the hate. I have a really good friend of mine that started a YouTube channel 6 years ago about something that he was incredibly passionate about. He was getting a lot of positive feedback from his subscribers and from his viewers, but he ended up quitting because a lot of his peers were making fun of him for starting a YouTube channel. And let me just say, guys, YouTube was a gold mine 6 years ago. If he would have stuck with it, it would have been in his favor. Use this as an example. Don't let anyone keep you from reaching your goals. So my next piece of advice is be open to constructive criticism. I know I just said don't listen to others' negative opinion, but constructive criticism is different, especially from a client to business owner standpoint. You have to make your business in the client's best interest. If you're getting feedback from somebody, you have to take that advice and make the change. Even though most of the time we hate hearing that we're doing something wrong. I recently started a business where I'm getting a lot of customer reviews. I have gotten reviews that haven't been all that great, but then again, I have to take a step back, put my emotions aside, and realize that I'm doing this business for the customer and for the client. I have to make it what's best for them. I fix those mistakes. It is my goal to never repeat them and make them happen again. All right, next, trust yourself and never hesitate when you see an opportunity. Realize that life is way too short for you to take time and think if it's going to work out or not. It's going to go one of two ways. It's either going to work in your favor or it's not. You're the one that is in control of that outcome. With that mentality, you will become unstoppable. Put yourself in situations where you're proactive and you change the outcome of the situation instead of letting things happen and then you just react to them. Yes, it will take time and it will take dedication and it won't be easy, but then again, what do you have to lose? You're going to die in 80 years anyway, so you might as well just send it. Next, always be expanding your knowledge and always be progressing. First is better yourself mentally. Don't spend your time watching Netflix and spending your time playing video games. Instead, read a book, do some research online, learn something new that day. I have a few really good books that I recommend and they're linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Better yourself physically. Motivate yourself to get in the gym and work out. It's not only going to improve your focus, but it's going to improve the way that you feel about yourself, and your confidence levels will be high, and there's literally nothing that can hurt you from going to the gym or running a mile every single day. And of course, better yourself spiritually. And if you guys put time out of your day to each one of these things, you're going to see significant improvement in your overall well-being. Do everything that I just mentioned consistently. Consistency is key, and I don't care how many times you've heard it or how cheesy that sounds. Without staying consistent, you'll never be able to have success in what you want to do. These points that I just mentioned will undoubtedly help you progress and get you to where you want to be. And if you're already there and you're content with where you are, then I congratulate you. For those of you that are just getting started, you have a long journey ahead of you, just stay consistent. Remember that no one else is going to do the work for you. You know what motivates you, and you are 100% in control of that. That is it for today, guys. If you saw any value in this video, please leave a like, comment, and be sure to subscribe, because I'll be making more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.